Hey y'all, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Got another wig for you. Boom. Giving straight natural vibes, baby. Let's go. First of all, you guys, it's something about this kinky straight texture wig that I can rant and rave about 24/7. This wig is so versatile. You can do so many different styles and you can achieve so many different textures with this one wig. Alright, jumping right into this video, here is the packaging that the hair came in. Nice drawstring bag, elastic strap, and then you have a comb, an edge brush, and some edge wax stick. Also, they sent a cap and an information sheet letting you know all about their hair, girl. So here's the wig. You have your comb and adjustable straps in the back. You have about 4 inches parting space in the middle, about 1-2 inches on the side. Kinky texture. Let's get into it. Look at this lace, baby. Look at those knots, thin and small. Take some of my oil, link down below. Okay, wig time. And I already put makeup on my lace. Use my wand curlers to flatten everything back. Okay, boom. All right, now we cut. And I'm actually going to use my 𝐖𝐢𝐠 glue to install this. Never tried that before. So we're going to see how this lasts. Okay, not only does the 𝐖𝐢𝐠 glue last if you do not sweat, it also is very easy to apply. Like, I'm putting it all over my hairline, even pushing back my edges. And then I went in with another layer just to have something for it to stick to. But it's so easy to apply. You don't even have to worry about not touching your edges. Add a little makeup because that bothers me. But y'all be so team no edges. I'm using a crayon case. It's brown. Okay, so I'm gonna just bust it down the middle for today. Put some makeup on that part. That joint dark. Color Fawn. Yes, I am here for it. Boom. Actually, I'm gonna do it in 2 braids. Ooh. Alright, I'm done the whole style. Alrighty, right here, this is 3 days later. I've had this wig on 3 days. Actually, while I'm doing this voiceover, I've had on like another 2 days. So my wig has been on over a week. But you see, I still had in those same 2 braids. I took those out. Now I'm just flat ironing my hair, and it's getting pretty straight just with 1-2 swipes. For the most part, it looks really good. The hair just became so flowy and just even more manageable than what it was. You can just see here like how good this hair looks. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side, but at first I just wanted to admire those little waves that I got from the 2 braids. The hair looks gorgeous, and that's what made me want to curl the hair. You're going to see in a couple minutes I end up curling the hair. So here I'm just showing you the hairline. Everything is just flawless. As you can see from the beginning of the video, I didn't do much to install this wig. Here's the back, just in case anyone is wondering how the middle looks. But I love this hair. This is definitely a keeper, and this is definitely a go-to throw-on wig any day. Now I'm going to use my wand curler. Okay, so I was definitely on a struggle bus trying to curl my hair. That is because I was trying to get it to look more like a regular curl versus a wand curl. See, I was trying to put it on there really flat. I got it for the most part. Because let me tell you what, the show must go on. I have some holding spray because I can tell They may not last long. Let's see what it's giving. Ooh. Okay, and as you can see, it is giving everything that it is supposed to. This wig looks so natural and realistic, honey. If you are looking for a kinky straight wig, this is the one for you. Go get it right now. Okay, curls. Giving straight natural vibes, baby. Okay, so I love the curls, but I love how it looks straightened better. That's just my personal opinion. You guys tell me what you think, and I'm ready to put it up into a ponytail so I can see how that looks. Okay, so last thing, I'm going to put this into a ponytail. Alright, while I fix this ponytail, let me tell you guys about the hold of the 𝐖𝐢𝐠 Glue, my gel that I use to apply this wig. I didn't even have to like put a scarf on my edges to pull my hair into a ponytail. As you can see, I'm being real rough and everything, and my sides did not lift. I think the next wig install, I'm definitely going to use this glue again because it has a nice long hold and it lasts. Now I can say, just like when I do like my holding spray, when I use the Got to Be Glued, if I sweat, it will start to lift, and that's what happened with this install. I started to sweat, so it started to lift, but all I did was put a scarf around my edges, like pretty tight, not really tight, but it was tight enough. I put a scarf around my edges and just waited until I wasn't sweating anymore, like my forehead was completely dry, and then I removed the scarf, and y'all, the wig was back down holding so perfectly again. So this method was a bomb. Oh, it look like it's in a ponytail. I mean, it is in a ponytail, but look like one ponytail. Get into it. Okay, this is my favorite style. Second would be straight down. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. I'll see you guys next time.